So another day has passed and I was almost running out of things to fix, so then I went out and broke some more stuff. I was out baling straw, you can tell. Yeah, I didn't get a chance to blow it off last night neither. And snapped this roll pin in here for the tucker finger cam track. So this wasn't going round, tucker fingers weren't opening or closing or doing anything. So in there, the strings were up here instead of where they should be down in between these teeth, which you can see in that one, string down in there. Brilliant. Well, only other issue was that the twine retainers decided to fill up the string as well during all this kerfuffle, so yes, but then moved on a bit more and just tried knotting it over and noticed that the arm for this one had snapped. I've already taken that off. That is right here. Oh, we're moving. Also discovered he had been welded at some point, so he was a bit of a weak link anyway. Yeah, is the other end. Let's get it like so. Yeah. So that wasn't ideal, but been on a trip to the other baler and stole one. Does need adjusting out some, but should do the job perfectly. Just have to sort this out and get it on. Oh, he's a little bit rusty as well. He's alright this end. This end's a bit rusty. There is still some paint right there, but I'll give him a little clean up, wind him out, get him the right length, and hopefully it'll be a good replacement. Right then, done and dusted, got it all the right length, tied it up, got it all moving, took the rusty end off, put the newer end on. Same with the clips, they're the ones off the older baler, the ones off this baler, use the nice ones, and like, near enough got a brand new part. Easy peasy. Just got to slap her on and then clear the string up and it'll be good as new, hopefully. Oh, done. What a beauty, like new. Now I just got to clean all the string out. Clean this one up. Just got to do all of these. But I'd rather do this the easy way. So, how you doing, folks? Today's job, well, it's just drying up, thank God. Finally had the last of the rain. Just finished a few bits off on the baler. Alternator is kind of new. Sent the old ones off both balers off to be serviced. They ended up just sending us new ones, said it was cheaper to have a new one than it was to service the old ones, so new alternators all round. But today I'm just having a little bit of a play with the pickup. Started this yesterday, hopefully finish it today now. Basically, I was watching a video the other day on YouTube, and it was One Lonely Farmer. Give him a look up, because this is an old video of his I watched come up, and his chrome baler, he beat the fuck out the pickup on it and I'd have a whole new pickup. But when he was fitting it, he was mentioning about lining up the locking collars on the bearings in the right place so the pickup was in the right place. Well, I've had a few issues with this pickup, and I was thinking it was to do with, you see the tines slightly closer to one band, that one's nearly touching, that one's been touching and snapped off, and all the way along they're a lot closer one side than the other. And I did obviously had to play back along the bearings down there and had a little look round and couldn't see nothing. Of course, locking collar either end, and the whole shaft should slide across. Only needs to go bloody 5mm. Fuck all really, but it's just, you can see that fucker there, he's got a chunk worn into him. So yeah, and I need to do the pickup anyway because I've got a few spare tines. Went to the other baler the other day, done a bunch of tines on that one. Got some left over to finish off this one, and I finally got some bolts to do the ones that are completely missing. because they're slightly longer than the bolts I had. Yeah, you can see there's a decent few missing, and it'll just help a lot to have a full set of pickup tines, at least close to a full set. I don't like changing them when they're only one side snapped off, but sometimes you got to. Oh yeah, and this is also a bit of an issue where it's been rubbing one-sided. A lot of the bands are looking like that. On there like it. One here like it. That one you can see has had a chunk worn into it. Same this end. Yes, there you go. This one's really fucked. Look at that. Yeah. I wouldn't mind getting a set of poly bands, like plasticky nylon stuff, but I cannot for the life of me find any. Been all through Google and fucked about looking, eBay and everything, and can find some for I think like Massey, Case, New Holland, but fuck all for welger. And this should be the same as the Rain Baler's bands, so I mean they still make them, so hopefully might be able to find something somewhere, but let's get on with this anyway. Yeah, this cog I don't think it's been on since the fucker was new. I had the puller on it. The puller did get it to move. I just need to play around and get it off properly. I don't reckon it's been off ever, and the fucking thing's 14-year-old, but see what we can do there anyway. Right, finally got both sides all apart, ready to try, see what we can do to get this all lined up properly, but got a slight issue. This is all being interrupted by the great potato harvest of 2020.